We'll get another bag here at the bag redemption counter. We're here again at the World Bazaar Festival. This is our second time. And we have again eco bags. So, let's go inside. Daanan namin yung mga gulay, fresh from Benguet, sabi ni nagtitinda. Grabe oh, ang mura lang oh. 45 pesos. Ang sarap mag-ikot-ikot, di pa siya matao at 1 o'clock in the afternoon and it's a Thursday. Makikita mo mga binibenta ng bawat booth. Ayun, hala siya. Tulala. Itong ganda oh. Shotaka. Mga pin version yan. This one naman, mga sticker version. Ang cute. Ang daming stickers. Stickers area to.
Magpuntahan po kayo dito sa harapan. Marami po tayong bakanteng seats if you want to see Miss Valerie Concepcion perform. Magsisilala po yan in just a short while. So please, stand by mga ka-movie.
Darating daw si Valerie Concepcion, kaya we decided to wait and watch.
I didn't wanna leave you. I didn't wanna fight. Started to cry, but then remembered Alam niyo ba ito? Ay, alam niyo, pababa ako dyan, mamaya nagot ka. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Say things you don't understand. But then remembered. Eto na! I can't buy myself flowers. I've been a talk to myself for hours. Say things you don't understand. Yes, bisitahin niyo po ako dito sa aking booth, dito sa right side. I think third aisle from the stage.
Yes, yes.
Malapit na malapit. 2045. Ayan, doon po ako didiretso after. Kung
Yes.
gusto niyo magpa-picture, pwede po doon. Pero dapat may bilhin muna kayo.
Oo.
Sa dami na nagpa-picture sa kanya, ayan, it's my turn. And that's it for our Shop All the Way at the World Bazaar Festival. Thank you and see you next year, Wooby!